Maybe you don't need to be so available all the time. Available for what? Well, be available for the things that serve you. What do you want to do with your time? Who do you want to spend your time with? If work is distracting, no, it's not work. There are distractions at play. You have to use discernment and figure out what is for you and what is not. The ability to see through the noise is a superpower. The ability to cut the bullshit, to be authentic, to be crystal clear in what you want. And you're allowed to ask for what you want. Don't hold back. Don't feel the pressure to be something that you're not. Authenticity is what serves. Just a little blip. I'm Christina. I hope this life advice helps you in some way. If you'd like to reach out for Reiki or human design, I'm your girl. Have a great day.